Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of November 9th, 2010. As always, the charts you look at are from the Trade Navigator software provided by Genesis Financial Technologies. In the bond market, we've got a little breakdown going here. This is kind of fascinating because, with the Fed announcing that they're going to buy treasuries and the old axiom about not fighting the Fed, it looks like the market is trying to spit in the Fed's face a little bit here. What we've got is we've broken down below this previous swing low here and makes this whole pattern look like a topping pattern and could break down a little lower. The obvious place for them to go is back to this previous high before they made the high, and that's kind of in the 127 area, I guess. There's a chance that they could hold with a marginal new low around 129. It's unlikely, but it could happen. The high of the week was right here. 131.12 was the area we were looking for. They didn't quite get there. So clear weakness here. I'm not sure this means they're just going straight down. I think they could possibly go back up and even test the highs again. But you'd have to look at, again, at least a marginal new low, but probably down in this 127 area here is where they're headed. Moving into the stock market, they've, of course, had a tremendous run up since September. Um, the next target up here, if they were to keep going, is in the 1240 area. And it looks like right around 1201 here is where they should hold if they're really going to trend up strong. Now, the largest move down, it's not so easy to see on this chart. It's much easier on the daily chart. But the largest move down in this entire move up has only been 26 points. So that's like 1198 area, somewhere like there. There is more support in the 1190 area, and they could certainly go make the largest move down and then still rally again, but that probably would suggest that the next high is vulnerable of being the high if they were to do that. And, the bonds are already fighting the Fed to a degree. If this market decides that they don't think the Fed can really support things like they claim they will, heck, they could be down. This purple line down here is all the way down the 1140 area. It's not out of the question that they could break down that far and just end this entire move up. I really think the most likely thing is for them to break down around the 1190 area and turn back up again. But, analysis, if they don't break that far and they turn back up, then you have to assume the trend is still up strong. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into for the rest of the week. Thanks for checking in. We'll probably do this again next week.